Hello and welcome to the 12th square in the Sampler Granny Square blanket. This is the boxed shell square. For materials, you will need a size 4 yarn, a 5mm crochet hook, and a pair of scissors. To start, we will loosely chain 29. For row 1, we will double crochet into the 4th chain from hook. Now, chain 3, skip the next 3 chains, and then place 2 double crochets in the next 2 chains. Again, chain 3, skip 3 chains, and then place 2 double crochets in the next 2 chains. Repeat this down the row. When you make it to the end of the row, you should have 5 chain 3 spaces. For round 2, we will chain 3. This does count as your first double crochet, and turn. Now, place 5 double crochets into each of the chain 3 spaces. place 1 double crochet into the top of the beginning chain. This completes your row. For row 3, we will chain 3 and turn. Now, place a double crochet into the next stitch. Chain 3, skip 3 double crochets. Now, place a double crochet and then another double crochet into the next stitch. Chain 3. Skip 3 stitches, then place 2 double crochets. Continue this down the row. When you are done with this row, you will have 5 chain 3 spaces. To complete this square, you will repeat the rows 2 and 3 until your square reaches approximately 7 inches. Then we will complete the edge. For the edge, we chain 1 and turn. Now place 3 single crochets into the corner. After the corner, we will place 25 single crochets evenly spaced along the side. Repeat these instructions around the square. Each corner receives 3 single crochets, and each side receives 25 evenly spaced single crochets. To finish, we will slip stitch to the beginning chain 1. Then I like to make one more chain and pull up a large loop. Cut the loop and remove the working yarn. The front of this square is when the beginning tail is on the bottom right corner.